Hi, today we have the brand new BraunAbility MXV conversion in the Chevy Traverse chassis. This conversion offers an in-floor power ramp with lighting. As you can see, the ramp is very easy to operate and has a 1,000 pound weight capacity. You'll also notice that it has a 30 1/4 inch ramp width, which means that it can accommodate the wider models of wheelchairs and power chairs. The new MXV has 46% more room than previous SUV accessible models and has enough room for 3 full-size passengers to sit in the third row. In addition, it's able to fit up to 2 wheelchair users. The front seats are easily removable, allowing an adult wheelchair user to either ride in the passenger position or in the driver's position. One other big benefit of the Traverse versus a minivan is the spacious cargo area for storage. Finally, the Traverse is available with climate-controlled seats and a sliding shifter console. The new and improved backup and 360 cameras are very easy to use for parking. If you have any questions about the brand new Chevy Traverse or any other mobility conversion options, please contact your local mobility consultant by visiting superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.